To transfer cryptocurrency from one device to another, start by opening the relevant app and selecting the script option. If the crypto option is not visible, click on the hub and scroll down to the Well section, or type in the search bar to find it. Once you've located the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin, search for it and select it. Then, click on the Send button and select the New button in the top right corner, followed by the Script to Wallet option. Next, choose the network you want to use and paste the wallet address from the recipient device. To obtain the wallet address, open the recipient device's website or app. Click on the My Account option and connect the device. Allow the connection on the device, and then you'll see a list of installed cryptocurrency-related apps. Ensure that the app for the cryptocurrency you're transferring is installed, and if not, click the Install button to add it. After installing the app, click on the Account options. Select Add Account, and choose the cryptocurrency you're using. Then, click on Receive. Select the cryptocurrency, and continue. Open the app on the device to manage the tokens, and click on the Copy button next to the wallet address. Return to the original app, paste the wallet address, and label it if desired. Enter the verification code sent to your registered mobile number, and click to proceed. Before transferring the full amount, send a small test amount to ensure the transfer is going to the correct address. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and click to send the cryptocurrency. Review the transfer details, including the wallet address, network, and amount, to ensure everything is correct. Once you've verified the details, click to send the cryptocurrency, and it will be transferred from the original device to the recipient device.